Are you ready, mister?
I am ready.
Habibi! Woo, Habibi, brother! Crazy dude! This is one of the best feelings if you can leave work and you know your road bike is waiting for you. What were you saying?
I love you. Thank you.
So what does Benguzel mean?
Thank you is my afternoon.
Oh, wow!
Thank you.
Wow! That's amazing! So, you're trying to find your first love?
Yeah.
Let the whole world know. Alle sollen wissen, that Asef loves Benguzel.
Because I love you too much.
Where does she live now?
Live in Austria.
Oh, she lives in Austria.
Yeah, in Vienna. But she's sick.
So Benguzel, please come and say hi to Asef. He misses you. Woo! This is very nice.
This is Get Life. We have come to United in Cycling. We have very good coffee and very nice people. And we have one sunny garden. And yeah, this is a United in Cycling. My world. Bye.
Oh shit.